Happy Tuesday. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I actually just got back from having lunch with my dad. We always kind of try to do like a daddy-daughter date. Yes, I'm 35 and I say daddy. I am in the South, so I do say daddy. But we had a really good time. It was really nice to have just some one-on-one time with him. And like I said, it was just a great time. So welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. I hope you all are having a fantastic day as well. And if you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. We do have our Upbox giveaway going on. I will put a link to that down below. And we have some upcoming giveaways that are going to be pretty awesome as well. Plus, we have a great time here on this channel, so why not join us? As always, please do leave a comment down below telling me about your day. I love hearing from you guys. And as always, please give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. But as you can see from the description, today we are unboxing our June 2019 Birchbox. You guys, this box is so cute this month. Like, it's not the normal, like, box. It's almost like a drawer. Like, it is super cute. So for those of you, not yet, stay in there. Those of you that are not familiar with Birchbox, it is a monthly beauty subscription where you receive sample and deluxe size, occasionally a full size item, which they have gotten quite better about here the last few months. And they have made some changes. They're going with higher known brands, more well-known expensive brands, different fuller, bigger samples, but they did increase their box. So it is $13 a month, and you receive 5 to 6 items. What I do like, Birchbox has always given you the option to kind of customize your box, and you could choose the curated box, so you could see everything you were going to get. You could choose it from 1 or 3 samples, so you would know at least one item you were going to get. The rest would be based off of your profile. Or you could just get a completely surprise me box. So one of the changes they have made to that is they now offer, instead of 1, last month, I think it was 2 curated boxes. This month, it was 4 or 5. So that is really awesome. But we're going to dive in here. I did pick a curated box because there were a couple items that I was like, I want those. So I vaguely remember what is in here because of those items, but I don't really remember the other stuff. So we're going to take a look. This again is the June 2019 Birchbox. Again, how cute is this with the little tassel? So let's dive in here and see. All right, so it says this is not a beauty box. But it really is. Let's see what this says. Let us explain. When we started Birchbox, we set out to make the world of beauty simple. We've learned along the way that it's so much more than that. What we made resonate with customers who have felt overlooked by an entire industry because beauty isn't their top priority. People with jobs, families, hobbies, passions, and extremely full lives who deserve to have an experience on their terms, not the overwhelming, exclusive, high expectation norms of beauty. But more than being simple, we made something personal. We made something you see as a gift to you. We want to give you more. We know your life is so full, you probably don't take the time to prioritize you enough. This is our real goal. Every month you get your Birchbox. It's a reminder that you deserve time to care for you, and not just to take care, but to take joy in that care. It's about making whatever time you have for you glorious. Discover, learn, explore, play, all of it. We aren't here to tell you to take more time. We're here to tell you that the time you do have is important and you deserve to love it. So this is a reminder, and this is for you. That is so sweet and just awesome. And it is true. What time you do have for yourself, you need to take full advantage of, and appreciate and just do what you want to do. Self-care and me time, I believe in. I am a wife. I am a mother. If you have followed me, you know this. If you are new, I have a 9-year-old son. I have a husband. I have 2 dogs. I don't get a lot of me time, but when I do, I take full advantage of it because it is so important. Because let's face it, especially as a mom, as a wife, or just in general, if you know you're part of running a household, if you're not there because you're so worn out, everything is going to fall apart and be a mess. So take your me time. And actually, when I finish filming this video, I'm going to take some me time and try and catch a movie before Christopher gets home from school. So let's get on with the unboxing. All right, so we have another card that says, be good to you. Self-care is different for everyone. What's important is finding what matters for you, so anytime you use it is well spent. So then it has like different tips here. Actually see your friends, learn something new, wear sunscreen, go to a farmer's market, get some actual sleep, 7 or more hours, please. Dance around your living room, moisturize your hands, give yourself a quick facial massage. So just different little tips that could, you know, perk up your me time. So, and then on the back of the card, this is the card that is going to tell us all about the items in our box. And it says chanicle. I think I made a new word. Chanicle. Channel tropical vibes from anywhere, even your desk. I just remembered that I did pick the Making Waves box. So, all right, let's get in here. So, tissue paper as usual. And then that's just a loyalty point thing. And then this is what we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's 2 of those. So technically 7, but. So here is our Making Waves box. All right. So one of the items that made me want to choose this box was this gorgeous full-size Smith & Colt nail polish. I received one of these in the sealed with a spritz Birchbox kit that I had ordered, and it was a really beautiful like fuchsia pink, just absolutely gorgeous. And I have actually taken that and gotten that on my toes when I had my last pedicure, which I need to go get a manicure badly. But this color just rang to me for summer. Honestly, this is like a color that I would wear a lot. It's looking more almost hot pink on camera, but it's really like a coral. It's really, really beautiful. Psycho Candy is the name. But this, again, this is full size, and this is valued at $18. So just this alone is worth more than the box. This bright coral polish livens any look. Plus you can feel good wearing this toxin-free formula. So I, like I said, love the other Smith & Colt polish I got from that Birchbox kit. And something about the Smith & Colt products, how they all have like a dent or something, I think is unique and I just find really interesting. So I'm super happy to add this to my very small nail polish collection because, like I said, I usually get my nails done. I get the gel manicure, but I do, when I find a color I really like, I like to pick it up because I can carry it in for like my pedicure. So I'm super excited about this guy. All right, the next item is from Way, which I love, and smells so good. This is the Wave Spray. The full size is $26. It's a weightless texturizing mist, sans salt, to achieve effortlessly tousled waves. I was actually considering putting this into a giveaway, but then I was like, you know what? I have that like naturally wavy hair. So I think with summer, I'm actually going to hold on to this, see if I actually use it. If I don't, then I will stick it in a future giveaway. But I just know, let's see. Yep, it smells amazing. All of Wave's products smell fantastic. But yeah, so this is the Wave Spray. So I just figured, like I said, I would hold on to it. If I don't use it within a month or so, I'll toss it into a giveaway. But maybe want to try some different hair looks. So we'll see. The next item we have is from... I don't want to butcher this. Jouer, Jouer Cosmetics. It's a sheer pigment lip gloss in Serrano. The full size would be $17. This gloss is infused with coconut and jojoba oils to hydrate lips as it adds a glossy cherry sheen. Ooh. I don't know if this is full size. It is cruelty free. I see that, so I like that. It's paraben free. Yeah, I'm not sure if this would be considered full size or just like a deluxe sample that's outside the box, but either way, it's still a good size. But yeah, that's a good size because I don't know about you guys. Oh, the packaging is super neat. I have so many liquid lips and matte lips and bullet lipsticks. I'm never going to go through all of them. So, I mean, something this size is actually perfect. So there you can see that. But you see right there, it's like this, like sticks out extra right there. I don't know. But there is that. Let's do a little swatcheroonie here. Being a lip gloss, I wonder how opaque it'll be. Oh, well, it's actually a little bit more opaque than I expected for a gloss. And it is so, so pretty. So yeah, for a gloss, that is definitely, and it is a shiny gloss, it is definitely more opaque than I expected, but I'm okay with that. So I think that is a really, really pretty color. So far we are 3 for 3, which, like I said, I knew it was going to be in this box because I did pick one of the curated boxes, but they're definitely stepping up their game with the brands, so I do have to give them that. All right, so the next item is from Air Repair, which is a good brand. I've had samples from this product or this brand before. And this is their complexion boosting moisturizer. Full size is $23. This rejuvenating cream is filled with antioxidants and humectants that moisturize a dry, stressed out complexion. Now, excuse me. This I am going to go ahead and set to the side for a giveaway because I have just got such a surplus of moisturizers and creams and things that I just know it would probably take me over 6 months to get to this. So I'll let one of you guys try this in an upcoming giveaway. So that will go to the side for one of you guys. And then this I am super excited about. If you did not see the video I posted yesterday, I have started obviously posting some like spoiler sneak peek videos for like Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, FabFitFun, BoxyCharm, or BoxyLuxe. And I was excited because I had never tried a eyeshadow by this company, and apparently this is one of the items we're getting. But this is from, well, let me show it to you this way. This is how it comes. Aren't those really pretty? Like, it's a beautiful teal and champagne. So pretty. They are from Butter London. And this is the Lush Tropics. Butter London eyeshadow, Lush Tropics. These complementary shimmery shadows are made of fine powder, so the color is easily buildable and blendable on your lids. Full size $15. Now I'm going to assume that this is full size. It's a duo. So that right there, again, is something that is more than the value of the box. So I think that is fantastic. All right, and we have one item, technically two though, left. And I'm super excited to have these. I have one, I keep meaning to just pick one up and I never do. This is the makeup eraser, like the original makeup eraser. It is the sample. Stubborn Makeup, We're Looking at You waterproof mascara will be gone in a flash with this plush, chemical-free cloth made with superfine fibers. Run the eraser underwater, then sweep away makeup. So they did send two of the sample, and now it says that the actual makeup eraser itself, like the original, is reusable, machine washable, and will last 3 to 5 years. Could you imagine the number of makeup remover wipes that could be saved? That just how to use wet makeup, wet portion of makeup eraser. I can't talk. Wet portion of makeup eraser, drenched wet. Use warm water. It says your sample has been pre-washed and is ready for use. Gently erase your makeup in a circular motion, and then flip eraser on long nap side to exfoliate. Effective, most cost-effective makeup remover in the world. And it says, you know, a mascara, eyeliner, blush, foundation, and more. So I wonder, and if you know, please let me know down in the comments, how long does the little sample last? I mean, if the original lasts 3 to 5 years, how long do the little samples last? Excuse me, because I am curious. Makeup eraser and mermaids, both are magical and only require water. So yep, we got 2 of these. So to recap, we have the 2 sample makeup erasers. Yay! We have the Butter London eyeshadow duo, which again is this beautiful like champagne and then teal shimmery colors. I think they are gorgeous. Lush Tropics. This super, super pretty gloss. The wave texture or wave, that's, it threw me off. I'm telling you guys, my brain is like, girl, take a nap. The wave spray right here, and the Smith & Colt beautiful nail polish. So again, this is definitely full size. The Butter London eyeshadow duo, I would definitely say is full size. I'm seriously thinking this probably is very close to full size, if not full size. This obviously is not, but still a good amount. We have the 2 makeup eraser samples, and then we do have the Air Repair sample as well. Like I said, this is going to go to the side for a giveaway. So I think this was a fantastic box. I'm so glad I picked it up, and I just am so impressed with Birchbox this month. Let me know what you guys think down below. I apologize for this video being so long. I'm just rambling. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you in the next one. Bye.